Okay, so this is a little embarrassing. When we go camping, everything goes fine. We're out in the woods. We just get up, go, and go out fishing all day. So the camper pretty much is a mess when we get back. Sometimes I can keep it all together and organized, like if it's raining or whatever. And, but I got the bathroom kind of organized, but everything, like I said, goes flying, and I'm on a desperate hunt for my husband's billfold. He hasn't had time. So I am on my duty of cleaning and finding a billfold. I got halfway done, and we're going to have to put a fan in here because water leaked in that window again and went down in there. So I'm going to put a fan in there. Otherwise, got this part of the place all fixed up. I cleaned out the refrigerator, cleaned up the stove, swept the floors. I still have to mop, and I still have to make the bed. But pretty much getting there. And now I didn't find his billfold yet, so I'm moving my way up that way, and then I'm going to take a little break and get something to eat, and then come back out for round 2 or maybe 3. Can't believe it, it's already 10:30. Oh my gosh. Kim helped me lift the mattress out and set them up here to dry. And then we put a fan up here because when the water leaked in, it just went down in there. And then, so I see some mold back there, but we got most of it out now. I'll just wash up a couple of the boards. And I vacuumed out the pontoon. Well, I think the refrigerator's on. I'm going to have to check that. I checked that because it was on. But anyway, got most of it all cleaned up, and I cleaned up through here, and I still didn't find my husband's wallet. So I think that's probably, maybe fell off the pontoon. Who knows, but I checked all the way up there. I checked everywhere in the pontoon, and so it's bye-bye billfold. These are some images that my son sent me this morning. They left Wednesday, sometime Wednesday. Him and his friend volunteered to go down there to rescue 50 abandoned dogs. I don't know if it was a weather crisis or what happened, but yeah, they're going to bring them back, and they're still alive, so that's a good thing. If you need a dog, let me know, and I'll try to hook you up if you're in the Wisconsin area. But I'm impressed how organized the organization is. I mean, they have their own kennels, and they all look happy and healthy, so that's really great. I can't remember the name of the place in Argentina or some place in Texas runs this, but anyway, asking for a little prayer that they make it back safe and the dogs won't be too stressed out. But I'll end here for today, and thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.